Oh, hey. I'm just ordering my Halloween costume.
Ordering? What are you going to be for Halloween this year, Squirrel?
Oh, I don't know. Just whatever the website has available.
Squirrel, Halloween is supposed to be about using your imagination and creating something you're really excited about, not just ordering off the website.
But, ordering off the website is just so much easier.
Easier isn't always better. Ordering a costume made brand new that you're only going to wear one time a year is not easy for the environment.
No? Well, what do you mean it's not easy on the environment?
Well, Squirrel, every time you buy something brand new online, it's probably been made from a factory. Factories use a lot of fossil fuels to make them run and create a lot of waste and pollution. Then your item has to be shipped from a plane, boat, train, or truck to be delivered all the way to your house, which uses more fossil fuels and creates more waste and pollution.
Oh, so then we'd be creating an awful lot of pollution and using an awful lot of fossil fuels for a costume that we're only gonna wear one day a year? Oh, well that doesn't seem right. I guess we'll just have to cancel Halloween then.
Squirrel, we do not need to cancel Halloween. There are other ways to make a costume,
Yeah, like how?
Well, you could purchase a costume from a consignment or a thrift store, or you could create a costume using repurposed or upcycled materials from around your house. Or you could create your own costume. Come on, I'll show you.
Find anything I like. I know. I'm gonna make my own costume. To be a squirrel on vacation for Halloween this year, and I made it out of all things I found in my house. Hey kids! Squirrel has a challenge just for you. I challenge you to create your own Halloween costume this year from things you find around your house or at a thrift store. Happy Halloween!